Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is what will happen in the coming week. I have two piles here. One is green. The first pile is green pile. The second pile is the red pile. You can take a minute and choose whichever color you're getting attracted to, either green or either red. And I've got alphabets, I've got colors, I've also got a dice, and I'm going to tell you what number is important for you in the coming week. I'm trying to do different kind of readings, and I also get a channel message of what to use. Normally I'm using the Scrabble words, and they normally form a word and they give a message. And also I wanted to do a number. I wanted to give you a number. So let's start with the first pile, and this is a general reading, guys. Remember, this is for the coming week. Whenever you're listening to this, it is a timeless reading. So whatever is going to happen in the coming week for you, for 7 days. Let's see what pile number one says. What are the kind of messages? I'm going to show you the cards too, and I'm going to start with the. I'm going to take it this way because I'll have to see if it's reversed or upright. It matters to me. So first is any situation that was troubling you will be over soon within 7 days is what I get. I don't know why I wanted to say 10 because it almost slipped out of my mouth. So seven is important. In 7 days, things are going to settle down, and even in 10 days. I also feel that you are a Aries, or you were dealing with an Aries. The sun sign was an Aries. So this is going to be okay, guys. Don't have to worry about anything. You've been praying about getting a job. That's what I get. First is that you've been praying hard. I don't know if you do believe in occult. I have a feeling that whoever's chosen pile number one actually does spells or does occult, and has been praying. You've been up for, I want to say, 12 nights. I don't know why I wanted to take this number, but you've been up doing this prayer, and you've been up late at night. Probably this prayer involves you to work with the cycle of the moon is also what I get. That's what I just got from here, because this globe looks like a moon to me right now. And you've been praying, you've been affected by the moon cycle, or you've been in your whatever you deal with, magic or whatever you do, moon cycles are important for you. Also, I feel emotions are pretty high with pile number one. That's the kind of feeling that I'm picking up. But yes, it's about a job is what I get, more than any relationship, more than doing the prayer or the spells or whatever, chanting for the relationship, to keep the relationship, to mend the relationship. I feel it's more of a job situation right now. That's what I feel. Birth, you wanting to have a child, or you want to start something new. It's been sitting in your head, the idea. If you're wanting a child, you will conceive, you'll get a good news soon. These 7 days are probably high chances of you conceiving. It's also high chances of you thinking of an idea that will be brilliant, and money wise also it will be really great for you. So you can roll out the idea, or it will strike the good great idea, whatever you want to call it, will strike you within these 7 days of listening to this reading. So something is coming for you soon, guys, and I think that's good news. In whatever way, it's a new, I also feel a new job. It's also a new job, leaving an old job behind, not very happy with the old job. Some news is going to come to you soon in 7 days, guys. Inspiration. I want you to get inspired. I think you got your ideas together, you got everything thing together, but the only thing missing is inspiration, and needing to motivate your own self, and listening to others also. I really feel at this time you should listen to people who inspire you, life coaches, people who give motivational talks, any TED talk, anything you want to just watch on the net. This is the time to inspire yourself, and it will inspire you to do better, or probably to change the course of your life, the your life path. It will inspire you to do something. And I think you've been reading inspirational quotes. That's what I get. And you've been following leaders. You've just followed somebody pretty recently who really motivates you, and you love listening to the words they say. You are going to go near water. I get within 2 days you're going to you're going to get a news that involves from someone who is close to water, stays near water, or you will get a job that needs you to go near water, change your house. I also feel a change of residence. I know this is just the water movement, but I also get a change of residence. Also, moving near water, going to a place later on in 5 months. So whatever starts in these 7 months, kick starts right now. In due course of time, I think 6 months you will move somewhere near water, and you will move away from where you are now. I also feel a land deal you're going to do. There's going to be a land deal, and that land is going to be close to water. Two is going to be an important number for you. There's going to be a short journey. I also feel a short journey could be an hour away or something. It could either, it either is involving a job situation, a relationship situation, or business. Though I get job more. I also feel that people who are wanting to shift, abroad or away from their country to another country, they will also hear that good news pretty soon. Judgment is coming your way. You're going to hear from higher authorities, what I get. And 5 is also important. I get 5 also in 5 days. So listening to somebody from higher authority, somebody giving you the judgment, or if you're waiting for a visa or anything right now, I know people can't travel, but probably after 5 months or 6 months, this new news will involve a movement after 5 months or 6 months. But this is good news, and you're going to be listening. It's like almost waiting for the judgment, and the judgment is going to come to you soon from a figure of authority. I also get a government figure. So if you've applied for a government job recently, or something to do with the government, so something will be coming up. Life lessons. So life will teach you something important very soon. It will be a life lesson. It will be important for you. It will put you on the right path. If spiritually you want to grow, if you want to raise your vibration, that will also happen. And there is some new lesson that you need to learn, and somebody will cross your path. That lesson has to be learned. Will make you a better person. Will make give you an experience that you'll always cherish. So something good is going to happen, and there is a new person coming in your life to give you this lesson, is what I get. Not necessarily love life, but yes, somebody you really get inspired by, somebody you're going to meet who's going to inspire you. So I get a lot of inspiration. I That you're going to draw a lot of inspiration from other people. Pile number one. Celebrations and ceremonies. I feel that celebrations and ceremonies are on their way, but will take time. It's not going to happen in this. I feel I want to say something to do with seven number, not in 7 months, not in 7 days, but I get more of a 7 weeks. Celebrations will happen, even if it will be a small gathering, but you will get reason to celebrate. You are going to get a reason to celebrate something. You are not getting detached from the situation. This is a love card, so I'm going to read it as a love card. The love situation, you're really attached to the person you're involved with right now. Or if you're going to meet a person within 7 days of listening to this reading, you will be really attached to the person. That's what I wanted to stress about attachment. You will have a great attachment to this person. I also feel a soulmate situation here. That's what I get. And I also feel a friend you haven't met for a long time, you will meet the person again. Let's see what the next card has to say. Not satisfied with the current situation, love situation, guys. Probably that's you are attached to the person, but not really satisfied, not really happy. Wanting to mend the relationship, yes, because you're really attached. You don't know how to get the person out of your routine. You want to give this relationship another chance, is what I get. If you listening to pile number one reading, then I think if you've been having trouble in your relationship, or there's been a problem, you're going to mend this relationship soon. And yes, now my laptop is again giving a problem because it's very hot here, and Mac does always give a problem. So you are good enough. I think you want to get inspired. There's somewhere you're losing your self-worth. You don't know if you can do this on your own. There is some decision, that you're making on your own, which is bringing down your self-value, self-worth. Not happy with the whole situation, thinking I cannot do it, I cannot run the business by myself, or probably I'm not fit for the job, I'm not good for the relationship. I know why these thoughts are crossing your mind. So I really want you to listen to motivational videos, positive videos that will put you on the right path and will not make you feel like this. The good colors for you are it's a very beautiful color. It's a very light blue color, almost like with a purple violet tinge in it, and pearly white is good for you. So these are the two colors that are good for you this coming week. Let's see what LS, the alphabets that are important to you are LSB. I don't think I can make a word from these ones. And I'm going to take another letter from here. I've kept the pile here. You. Uh, I get the word busy. I get the word busy here. I don't know. Probably you're very busy these days, and something to do with the bus. Either you have to take a bus to go somewhere, because I said it's going to be a journey. So it's probably that place is connected. I said 1 hour short journey. Probably it's connected by a bus. You will need to go through a bus. I get a lot of that it's going to be a busy 7 days for you. Um, Sub, something to do with the sub. You will not accept anything that's substandard is what I'm getting. So you're not going to accept substandard things. You will believe in perfection, and probably that's going to motivate you to do things perfectly. So that's what I get for you. Let me see what number I get for you guys. Number 4 is important for you guys. Number 4 will be important. I think I did say number 4 when I was doing the reading. Number 4 is going to be good for you this week. So that was the reading for people who did choose the green pile. That's pile number 1. I'm going to move to the red pile. That's pile number 2. I'm going to keep it away. I'm going to give you the colors before only. So violet, purple, very beautiful color. I hope you can see it because there's a light shining through it. So it's a very beautiful color. I get silver also. And I don't know why I want to say it. I think you like the pyramids. You wanted to go to Egypt. Like I always wanted to go to Egypt. Something to do with Egypt is always there in your mind. Uh, uh, shape similar to the pyramids does attract to you, or you did draw a triangle, or something to do with triangles is also very important for you, or fascinates you, or mystifies you. Something closer to that. So let's see what the cards are. This is your first card. Have faith in your dreams. This has come reversed, guys. Losing faith in your dreams. Probably this color is similar to what I got. So stay focused. Whenever I get this color, I say always stay focused. Don't lose focus, and don't give up your dreams. If you don't give up on your dreams, the dreams will never give up on you. Always remember that. Just work hard. If you believe in yourself, people are going to believe in you that much. So please stay focused, and everything will be right. And I think you are regaining focus again, and you will get laser focus very soon. For whatever situation you are in. This is a general reading, guys, so I cannot pinpoint one situation, but whatever situation you are in, please have faith in your dreams and don't lose focus. Feeling vulnerable right now. Maybe you're losing focus, don't have faith in your dreams. Whatever you wanted to start, you wondering if you should be doing it, if you are good enough for it, if you can do it well, if you can do it perfectly. Also, I think you feeling vulnerable if you are in a relationship. You're not feeling too comfortable. And I also feel I get the channel message. You don't know if you want to open up to the person or not, or is it too soon to open up? Do you need to take time? Do you need to take a month to open up to a person? Probably this relationship started in the summer. That's what I want to say. That's a channel message. This relationship started in the summer. You wanted to blossom, but you also vulnerable right now because probably you've had a bad past, a bad breakup, and you don't know if you need to open up right now. You did have a fight with someone, especially a number 8. I've been talking about number 8 quite a lot. It's been coming on my mind and in the readings. I also feel number 8 is a loop number. Normally, 8 puts you in a maze, but it does suit people that it really suits. So, I feel somebody with an 8 number you're going to have a fight with, you had a fight with. This is a 7-day read, like I said, in the coming week. But I want to say on the 8th day, you might end up fighting with someone. So, just be careful, guys. Keep your temper in check. Don't be rude, don't be harsh, use the right words, be gentle in the situation. If you can just talk and sort it out, it's better than to just accuse each other of the things that have gone wrong between you two. So it could be any situation. I don't get a particular situation in this. It could be, I just thought of a family matter. I don't know why I feel this is more of a family situation that I'm wanting to say that it will be. So probably with your friends, your family, more so family, or maybe a friend which is more like a family. So maybe it could be with a person who is more like a family to you and is just a friend right now. Prosperity will be coming, guys. I don't know why you have to worry. It's a fantastic card. This is a good card. It's a positive card. This is to do with money. I also get somebody is going to get have twins, or is going to get news related to number 2. Maybe in 2 days. Maybe to do with 22. Maybe two things coming to you. double of something. So something related to two is going to come very soon to you, is what I get. So prosperity is there. If you've been dreaming of having kids, that's another channel message that I want to add. If you've been dreaming about having kids, you will get to know that you're pregnant. You will take a pregnancy test, is what I get. I think you've been praying for a child. I don't know why I want to say this. I really feel this is what it is important in pile number two. You've been praying for a child. You've been going to different temples or churches or whatever you believe in, or wherever you go to offer prayers. You've been really wanting a child, and I think that dream is going to come true very soon. And number three is important for you. Number three is a good number. It's important for you. You will get some good news in 3 days. A choice between two things. Remember, I said I'm getting something to do with double, double again. There's a choice between two things. Choose between two situations fairly. Could be two jobs, two business ideas, between two people. This decision is important for you. I don't know why I get this. It's a very important decision. So don't get blindfolded like this woman is. That's what I want to say. Remove the blindfold and make your decision. It's a very important decision of your life. Your life depends on it. Answered prayers. Look, I told you you've been praying for something and the prayers haven't been answered. I'm going to bring it closer. I'm going to hold it like this. It's answered prayers, guys. I'm telling you, your prayers will be answered. You don't have to worry. I also feel that you went to three different places of worship, is what I get. Or you've been, praying for 3 days, 3 weeks. Your prayers will be answered soon. I don't think you need to worry. I'll just show you the other card. Look at this card. Whatever you've been praying for will be answered. It's so similar. Things will be answered soon, guys. Don't get worried. Green is important for you. Though this is the red pile, I feel green is a good color for you guys. You can add green this week to whatever you wear, or if you want to write with a green pen. Healthy communication in relationships. So communication is important. If you haven't been communicating well, it is just relationships. So it could be a relationship with a co-employee, with a partner, with a business partner. Like I said, family, anything is important for you. Please clearly express what you want to say. Keep the communication open both ways. Have a heart-to-heart talk, and I think you guys need a heart-to-heart talk. So if your relationship is healthy, there is communication in it, everything is fine, guys. Commitment. A lot of you are going to commit soon to the person you love. It almost fell from my hand. Red color goes well with it. So there is love in the situation. There will be love. There will be commitment. If you've been wondering if the guy or the girl is going to commit to you, the person is going to commit to you. This is a good card, guys. Don't worry about the situation. Whatever relationship situation you are in, you are going to go ahead and propose, or the other person is going to propose to you. And commitment is going to happen very soon, is what I get. Integrity. Don't lose your integrity in the whole situation, because it's come reverse. That's what I want to say. Work with the person you're going to deal with. I don't know why I want to say this, but ask what they think also about the relationship. So this is not about making your own decision. It's also getting the other person to talk about how they feel about the relationship. Where should this relationship, where is it heading, or what should this relationship be? I think it's about commitment here, and I really think there is going to be a commitment. That's what I feel here. The end of a tough cycle. So your tough cycle is still going on. I'm going to say in 4 months it's going to end. Days are going to be tough for you in a way. I have no idea how are they going to be tough. I just get that it could be a relationship problem. I didn't want to pick job or a money situation. I feel tough days in a relationship, and that's going to be over soon. I don't know why I want to get this money message, that you guys are going to be have much. You're going to have much stable times, from 7 days from now. Your money situation is going to improve 7 days from now. If somebody did owe you money or had to give you money, will be giving you money soon. And you probably would have thought you did write it off, that the person is going to not give you your money back. The person will return your money, is what I get. Let's see what the alphabets are saying for you guys. I want to say luck. I want to take it LUC. LUC, those are the alphabets that are important for you. Why? though it makes Lucy, I don't want to say Lucy, it must be a name of a person you're interacting with or something to do with Lucy. I want to say luck. Luck is on your side, guys. That's the message I get. I'll see if I can make any other word or any other channel word that comes to me. But luck is the most important word that I want to say. Maybe it goes with it does go with prosperity, and luck is on your side. You're going to be lucky in love, probably you're lucky, and you will have a child. That's what I want to say. That's the only word that comes to my mind when I want to give a channel message. So I've already given you your alphabet. What is important? I'm going to give you which number is important. Let's see. Number 4 is also important for you. I the first pile, which was green, 4 was important. This one also, I think number 4 is important. Or maybe the message is that for you, both the piles, in 4 days something good is going to happen. That's what I feel, and you will see a lot of 4 4 4. I also see both the piles. No matter whichever pile you've chosen, if you're listening to this reading, you will be seeing repeating numbers. You will be seeing 4 4 4 especially. Okay. Thank you guys so much, and do subscribe to my channel. Do hit the like button and do comment. I read all the comments, and let me know what kind of predictions do you want. So this is your prediction for today. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Bye.